Alright, so I'm doing some plumbing here. Putting in the stand-up shower, and I'll be using the same setup here. We just cut it, put new fittings on it. Cutting this like this to put the bathroom, the sink. Cutting out all the old ones. Okay, so we cut out the old fittings, and I clean them up, put some flux, new fittings, put some flux inside. We're gonna solder this on. Solder all of them that I took off, that I cut off, the shut off valve. All these toilet bowl valve and the toilet, the sink, the faucet here. I'm gonna put new one. The shower body, cut off the whole shower body. We're gonna put new shower body fitting and solder them. And we have the water also turned off the main from the main. Okay, so we're gonna put on a new shower body. I'm gonna take off this old one. I'm gonna cut it at the ends where the hot water and the cold water and the bottom top faucet meets. We're gonna cut it here and put the new piece, not where it comes from the main, just this piece here. I'm gonna cut it with this tool here.
Tumisure ako.